Welcome to the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, and here we are at CL Yachts, and we're checking out the CLB 88. This thing is an absolute stunner. Let's explore the boat. As we step inside into the main cabin here, what you're going to notice is the beautiful teak and holly floors with the matching ceiling, and we have all one level living here. Absolutely stunning from the aft all the way forward to the captain's chair. What you notice about this beautiful open floor plan is the wide windows let a beautiful amount of light in, and we have incredible modular furniture here designed to match the vessel. Up here we have a beautiful wet bar, of course wine fridge, ice maker, and cooler, and we have a little privacy window so you can keep that galley closed off from your guests while underway. Welcome to this well-appointed galley, and what you're going to notice besides the space here is the dinette is just inside that privacy area. We have full-size appliances in here, sub-zero refrigeration, sub-zero freezers. Of course, we have a full sink right here, full-size appliances, and again, the appointments are just incredible. We have a little dinette forward for all the comforts of home. Here we are at the main cabin helm, and what you're going to notice is our telemetry is right in line with our great visibility. So here we have all our charts and information, easy access to it, and great visibility to boot. The captain has everything he needs on this vessel. Of course, the CAT telemetry is right here. You have your Garmin armrest control. You can just use the bow thruster, the armrest control. You can just ease this thing right into the dock. Forward of the helm, we have two guest suites. The forward suite is a queen cabin, and it has an ensuite. And of course, we have a twin bed cabin as well for your guests, of course, accompanied with ensuite as well. And lastly, we have a dayhead in the open concept cabin here, and a walkway downstairs to the VIP and master. Here we are in this full beam master, and you're going to notice the 22 feet of expanse, this full king size bed as we look on. And if you look down, there's a white oak flooring, and then we have a walnut finish on the walls, all the accoutrements of home. As we step into the master head, what you're going to notice is that twin sink, marble details everywhere you look, and this is all in-house work that gets done here. As we step into the VIP, what you're going to notice is, again, full beam, twin closets, and all the accoutrement of the master. Full ensuite. Here we are on the main floor Aft Lounge, and what you're going to notice is that 22 feet of beam, massive amounts of space, easy access up here, and then beautiful seating area. How about this massive flybridge area? It's absolutely a stunner. So here we have a beautiful settee area, forward and aft seating, comfort for days, and over here we have a beautiful wet bar. Check out these designer seats. Great job by the designer. As we move back to the aft, what you're going to notice is a beautiful summer kitchen and a beautiful sun area. But if you need to get out of the sun, we can set up a shaded area for the day here on the water. Here we are up on the flybridge helm, and what you're going to notice is the best view in the house. Look at that amazing bow area, full cushions down there. You have your windlass, and that's where we're going to notice the ship works on this boat. They're absolutely very robust. It's the shipbuilding backyard that CL Yachts has in their background. And of course, we have our dual screens up here, Garmin, all your ZF controls to control those CAT engines while underway. Let's talk about the performance of this beautiful CLB 88. It's got CAT C32 engines that gives you 1600 horsepower, and it'll push this 27 knots, and it cruises around 24. How about this incredibly designed Joseph Baracus boat? It is an absolute stunner from CL Yachts. The CLB 88 is a beautiful yacht waiting for you.